Welcome to the wonderful imaginary world of Pablo Picasso. Picasso was born in Spain but spent most of his life in France. He was not only a painter and a sketcher, but he was also a brilliant sculptor. Pablo did not let other people or artworks rule his life. Whatever was in his imagination, that is what he painted. This remarkable artist was also very good with words and had many proverbs. One of his favorite sayings was, "People look around them and ask, 'Why?' I look around and ask, 'Why not?'" The following are only 3 of literally hundreds of Picasso's paintings. Even though she looks a bit out of proportion, she still looks quite normal. Well, given, normal only goes that far. Note that even though the faces do not quite look normal, they all still make sense. Time to play. For this task, you will receive an A4 cardboard, 2 smaller pieces of cardboard, a face map, and about 3 pages from a magazine. Try and see if you can have the following: a pair of scissors, glue stick, and a thick or thin black or dark Koki. To play the face game works as follows. Close your eyes and put your finger on the face map. The shape on which your finger landed is the shape that you will use. Each shape may only be used once. Continue choosing a head, ears, nose, eyes, and a mouth in the same way. Use the full A4 cardboard for the outline of the head. Cut the face out. The face stays white to make it more visible. Now choose 2 eyes. Measure to the size of the face how big the eyes should be. Redraw the eyes on the colored cardboard and then cut them out. The lashes can be about 3 millimeters wide. Now do the same with the ears, the mouth, and the nose. Remember that you can also flip a shape. After all the shapes have been cut, carefully stick them onto interesting places on the magazine pages and then cut them out again. Outline all the shapes with a black Koki. Now draw all the inner detail in black Koki. Play around with the eyes, ears, nose and mouth on the face before you finally stick them down. Just before I stuck my shapes onto the face, I added 2 round cheeks and hair because she looked a bit empty to me.